The government shutdown is now in its 30th day, making it the second longest shutdown in U.S. history.
With a number of government assistance programs set to run out this Saturday, St. Louis County stepping up to protect the most vulnerable groups in our community. 5 on your side's Holden Kurwicki has more.
And Mike, with SNAP benefits set to expire, many providers have pointed out that many families on government assistance receive about 90% of their food using SNAP. St. Louis County is stepping up to help fill the void in more ways than one, as many people prepare to make tough financial decisions.
As the government shutdown continues with no end in sight,
it's starting to take its toll.
In St. Louis County alone,
SNAP helps 47,000
families that will now be forced to figure out a way to put food on the table as SNAP benefits expire.
And even before the shutdown, we knew that these families were struggling.
Through November 17th, all St. Louis County library branches and health centers will have donation bins.
Every donation, no matter how small, helps a family in need and sends a message that no one in our community stands alone.
Their biggest need?
Diapers, wipes, and baby formulas, because they can be pricey.
The St. Louis County Health Department is also bracing for an influx of patients as Affordable Care Act subsidies expire, raising premiums by an average of 26%.
When you have an unfortunate economic impact like this, people do put off health care. They put off caring for themselves and bodies because honestly, the idea of I gotta feed my kids, I gotta feed myself, that becomes a priority.
We need the White House and Congress to come together to get the government open, to get these insurance programs funded so kids here in St. Louis County can have access to medical care, so they can stay in school, they can grow up educated, and they can work in our community.
As the shutdown drags on, all St. Louis County run animal shelters are making resources available so that we can all feed our four-legged friends as the shutdown continues. For a full list of resources available, look for this story under the As Seen on TV section of KSDK.com and the 5+ app.